Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F1 and today I will show you how you can find and manage sound settings. Open Settings. Next you have to scroll down until you find Sound and Vibration. And when you are here, at the first we can activate and deactivate silent and do not disturb mode by clicking right here. When you switch to the do not disturb mode you can also adjust that mode, but I'm going to switch to the regular one. Here you can also adjust volumes from calls, reminder, notifications, alarm volume, music, games and media by simply moving the switcher on the left and the right. Below you can find vibration options. And the additional settings you can find screenshot sound, tap sounds or delayed sound. You can also activate or deactivate by tapping on the switcher. When you go below we can also find sound effects, and here we can adjust headphone remote buttons, for example. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.